Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to share with you. Get ready to embark on a captivating journey through the world of cutting-edge technology and creativity. We'll be introducing you to 5 incredible platforms that are revolutionizing the way we work, create, and explore. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. Our first destination on this adventure is Leonardo.ai. Leonardo is an AI-powered platform that takes creativity and innovation to new heights. It offers a wide range of intelligent tools and features designed to enhance your creative projects. From smart image editing to advanced data analysis, Leonardo.ai equips designers, marketers, and content creators with the means to unlock their true potential. With its intuitive interface and powerful capabilities, Leonardo.ai will elevate your creative game like never before. But that's not all. Our next stop is Midjourney.com. Immerse yourself in a world of virtual experiences like never before with Midjourney. This platform transports you to breathtaking virtual worlds, allowing you to explore new places, cultures, and narratives from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're an avid traveler seeking to expand your horizons or a storytelling enthusiast looking for immersive narratives, Midjourney has something for everyone. Get ready to embark on unforgettable journeys that will leave you inspired and captivated. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Firefly by Adobe. Firefly is a game-changing platform that empowers brands to create personalized and interactive digital experiences. With Firefly, you can build dynamic websites, design stunning visual campaigns, and craft engaging user experiences that leave a lasting impression. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, Firefly equips you with the tools and capabilities to connect with your audience on a whole new level. Say goodbye to cookie-cutter campaigns and hello to unforgettable digital experiences. Whether you're a graphic designer looking for inspiration, a marketer in need of eye-catching visuals for your campaigns, or simply someone who wants to explore their creativity, Bluewillow AI has you covered. The tool provides a wide range of customization options, allowing you to specify the style, theme, and elements of the image you want to generate. This image-generating AI tool is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. No matter your level of experience or expertise, you can easily create amazing images with this tool. Simply enter your prompt and let this AI do the rest. It's as easy as that. Experience the power of Bluewillow AI's image generator tool and unlock your creative potential. Last, but certainly not least, let's dive into the world of Playgroundai. Playgroundai is an innovative platform that combines the brilliance of artificial intelligence with human creativity. It offers a playground for artists and creators to experiment, collaborate, and push the boundaries of their craft. Whether you're looking to generate mind-blowing visual art or create personalized graphics, Playgroundai provides the tools and resources to unlock your creative potential. Embrace the freedom of creative expression and let Playgroundai inspire you to new artistic heights. And there you have it, folks. We've just scratched the surface of these incredible platforms that are shaping the future of technology and creativity. Whether you're a professional seeking to enhance your skills or an enthusiast hungry for new experiences, be sure to check out Leonardo.ai, Midjourney.com, Firefly by Adobe, Bluewillow.ai, and Playgroundai. Trust us, these platforms will open doors to a world of limitless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling tech adventure. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next exploration into the fascinating world of innovation and creativity. Until then, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries. See you next time.